Hello everyone, welcome back to our Flutter tutorial series. In the previous video we learned about Flutter and how it works. In today's video we will do Flutter setup and installation step by step and run our first Flutter application. This video is perfect for beginners, so do not skip any part. Let's get started. First of all, here is I created a blog about this. Okay, so what is the system requirement? Like for operating system, Windows, macOS or Linux. Okay, at least 2.8 GB means 456 GB RAM of you need to run your IDE. Okay, you need to download the Flutter SDK, its tools. Okay, now we move to the how to download Flutter application. Okay, Flutter SDK. Okay, first of all go to the this site. This is Flutter original site. Like here is Flutter download. Okay, we go to the here. Just want this one. Okay. Okay, so this is the main Flutter website. Okay. Now we move to the get started. Click on get started. There is some option. Set up get testing using your command prompt. Okay. There is option to download Windows, macOS, Linux or Chrome OS. Okay. Now what we do? Now we install the Xcode for this command. If you already install, git install. Okay. Now we move to the install setup Flutter. The download is manually. So click here, install Flutter manually. Okay, then choose your operating system. I have macOS, so I choose macOS. Then go down and select your chip. Okay, stable version based on Apple Silicon or Intel. Okay, so I have Apple Silicon, so I download here. Let's download it started. Okay, so it is already installed, so I pause it. Okay, so how to download is this step. Okay, now what to do? Now we move to our block load. Here is the step how to download. Okay. See, after downloading, access the Flutter SDK to preferred location on your system. Avoid placing inside the product directory. Okay, so I simply access folder and move to it to the application directory. Okay, this here is in image here is Flutter available. Okay, now we move to the set a path to the environment variables. Okay, set Flutter path. First of all, you have macOS or Linux. Simply do in your terminal this command. Okay, here path of your Flutter. Okay, so here your application Flutter, so we have the setup Flutter. Okay, now for Windows we need to move X also is bin folder. Okay, so here is our path, local disk, src folder, Flutter and bin. Okay, we set in our environment variable, click here environment variable, then move to the edit environment variable or path and add here our Flutter path. Okay, after setup of an environment variable, we move to the verify our app Flutter is installed or not. Okay, so simply in your terminal or window in command prompt, simply command is Flutter doctor to check to verify everything is installed or not. Here is the first image is from macOS and second one is from Windows. Okay. Now what step is requirement to pick is if you are Android development, simply uh, install Android Studio. Okay, as ISO development we need Xcode. Okay, after downloading both we need ideally. Okay, ideally we can use Android Studio, also a PS Studio code. Okay, so if you downloaded Android Studio, also you can write your product code in Android Studio. Okay, now we move to create our first app. Okay, simply go to your VS Code. Okay, simply do command shift T. Here is option. Okay, if there is no option of Flutter in your project, simply go to the extension and install this type of extension. Okay, I have installed many extensions. Okay, like Flutter Awesome, Dart, Flutter, Flutter Intel, Flutter Localize, Flutter Snips, Flutter Tree, Flutter Widget Snips, GitHub Copilot Chat for write our AI code. Okay, Kotlin language, live server, bug status list. Okay, other are for other languages. Okay, so there are the many extensions that we need to set up in our VS Code. Okay, okay, so we are close everything. Okay, simply click on new project. Now what we to do, we want to create a Flutter application. Okay, here is the option of a module, packages, or plugin if you need to create an advanced level. So we simply create here application. Now we set our path. We want to set here download. Okay, simply we add our Flutter here. Okay, select folder as a create folder. Okay, now give up your Flutter application name, like I will demo Flutter. Okay, then enter it and wait for few seconds. It to set up everything. Okay, okay, also we have the simulator. Okay, so everything is set up. Now we go on to main method, main.dat. Here is our simple basic Flutter application UI. Okay, what we have is our main function which run app. Inside our main app we just stateless widget. Okay, in stateless widget main app stateless widget, here we declare our material app. Okay, material app is the simple things which provide our all things to do in a application. Okay, inside we provide a home of my home page. Okay, means starting page is my home page. Okay, here in my home page in simple UI about to increment plus plus. Okay, simply we select our simulator, then click run, then run without debugging. Then here is our simulator. Wait to run it. Okay, do not forget to set variable in Windows. If you are using Windows, if you are using Mac, then must set environment variable for Mac as per your system need. Okay, after we see, this is a simple basic Flutter application. Here what here do, there is plus, there is implement. Okay, so this is simple Flutter application which we by default created by the Flutter architecture when we create a new Flutter application. Okay, in the next video we will deeply understand Flutter project structure, every folder, and I'll explain clearly. If this video helpful, you like, subscribe, and share with friends.